Hey, I picked up this new mailbox post here. The mailbox is not included, but I went with quite a big mailbox here, and it is compatible with that. It's also compatible with smaller mailboxes as well. Here is your mount. I used these side brackets here to make it bigger for this size mailbox, but if you have a smaller one, you can probably mount it right on the mount there without adding anything. So this is pretty universal for different sizes. There's two poles here. There's a bracket piece in the center, so you can take these apart and put them together. We'll check the height here. It's a little over 52 inches tall. You're probably gonna sink this into the ground a little bit, so it's definitely tall enough. I'm fairly impressed that this works with this larger mailbox I have. It's got a nice black finish. It's fairly simple and it seems pretty solid. Overall, I think this is a nice option for a mailbox post.